वेलकम एवरीवन, आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग के एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट एडवांस वेल्डिंग के कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू। आज हम एमसीक्यू का पार्ट 14 डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, लेज़र बीम वेल्डिंग इज़ ए फ्यूज़न जॉइनिंग प्रोसेस। ऑप्शन बी फ्यूज़न जॉइनिंग प्रोसेस, C coherent joining process, D plastic joining process, option B fusion welding process. Laser beam welding is a fusion welding process. Next question, which of the following is used to direct laser beam? Option A glass aperture, B perforated glass sheet, C flat optical element, electromagnetic coils. Option C flat optical element. In laser beam LBM process, the laser beam is directed by flat optical element such as mirror and then focused to a small spot at the workpiece using either reflective focus element or lens. Next question, inert gas shielding is generally employed to protect a laser beam, molten puddle metal, C filler electrode, D lens. Option B is correct answer. Molten puddle of metal. It is non-contact process, require no pressure to be applied. Inert gas shielding is generally employed to prevent the oxidation of the molten puddle, and filler metal may be occasionally used. Next question, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज कॉमर्शियली यूज्ड लेज़र? कौन सा फॉलोइंग ऑप्शन है जो कॉमर्शियली लेज़र बीम वेल्डिंग को यूज़ करता है? ऑप्शन ए ND-GAG लेज़र, B 1.06 माइक्रोमीटर वेवलेंथ CO2 लेज़र, 2 माइक्रोमीटर वेवलेंथ CO2 लेज़र, D ND-YES लेज़र. ऑप्शन बी इज़ करेक्ट, 1.06 माइक्रोमीटर wavelength CO2 laser. Now see the explanation. The laser beam are predominantly been used for industrial material processing and welding tasks are the ND-YAG laser and 1.06 micrometer wavelength CO2 laser with active element most commonly employed in these two varieties of laser being the neodymium Nd ions and CO2 molecules respectively. Next question, in solid state laser is used as a dopant. Option A actinium ion, B neodymium ion, C platinum ion, D lead ion. Option B neodymium ion. Now see the explanation. It utilizes an impurity in a host material as a active medium. Thus neodymium ion Nd plus 3 times is used as a dopant, and prosperly added impurity in either a glass or YAG crystal, and the 1.06 micrometer output wavelength is directed by the neodymium ion. Next question, the lasing material is a cylinder of a diameter of about space fill in the blanks mm. Option A 5 mm, B 9, C 17, D 20. Option B is correct, 9 mm. The laser beam material are the host in the form of a cylinder of about 150 mm long and 9 mm in diameter. Both the ends of the cylinder are made flat and parallel to each other. Next question, the lasing material of a crystal is excited by option A neon lamps, B krypton lamps, C tungsten wire lamps, D CFLs. B krypton lamps. Both the ends of the cylinder are made flat and parallel to very close tolerance, thus then polished to a good optical finish and silver to make a reflective surfaces. The crystal is excited by means of an intense krypton or xenon lamp. Which of the following laser is the most efficient? कौन सा ऐसा लेज़र है जो बहुत ही इफ़िशियंट है? ऑप्शन ए CO2 लेज़र, बी ND-YAG लेज़र, रूबी लेज़र और डाई लेज़र। ऑप्शन ए कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मीन्स CO2 laser. The electric discharge style CO2 gas laser are the most efficient type of currently available for higher power laser beam material processing. Dye laser uses complex organic dye like rhodium G6G. Next question. CO2 laser employed gas mixture of nitrogen and helium, hydrogen and helium, argon and xenon, oxygen and nitrogen. Option A nitrogen and helium. Now see the explanation. These lasers employ gas mixture primarily containing nitrogen and helium along with a small percentage of carbon dioxide and electric glow discharge used to pump the laser medium. Next question. Gas heating produced by gas laser is controlled by coolant, B option a blow of cool air, C adjusting the wavelength of the laser, D circulating the gas mixture. Option D is correct, circulating the gas mixture. Now see the explanation. Gas heating produced by a gas laser is controlled by continuously circulating the gas mixture through the optical cavity area, and thus CO2 laser are usually categorized according to the type of gas flow in the system. Next question. How many categories are there of CO2 lasers? CO2 laser की कितने categories होते हैं? So it is generally 3 types of category. Option 3 means B is correct. Now see the explanation. CO2 lasers are manually categorized according to the type of gas flow in the system. Option means types are slow axial, fast axial and transverse axial. Next question. Slow axial gas laser are simplest of the CO2 laser. It is true statement. Now see the explanation. They are the simplest of the CO2 laser. Gas flow in the same direction as the laser resonator. Optical axis and electrical excitation field are gas discharge path. These lasers are capable of generating the laser beam with a continuous power rating. Next question. Solid axial flow CO2 laser can generate laser beam with a constant rating of 80 watt. Option A true, B false. These lasers can generate laser beam with a constant rating of approximately 18 watt of every meter of discharge length. A folded tube configuration is used for achieving the output power level of 50 to 1000 watts maximum. थैंक यू सो मच फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ। हम कुछ और इम्पोर्टेंट MCQ लेकर के आ रहे हैं आपके लिए। थैंक यू।